Hi, my name's Fred. I'm going to present Lify IO to you. Today in medical imaging there are tons of possibilities. There's 3D imaging, there's image fusion, there's image segmentation and so on. But on the other hand, it's very difficult to transfer medical images from one place to the other. There are three options basically. Either you burn a CD and you ship it with FedEx, or you set up a VPN tunnel, which is very difficult to maintain, or there are, of course, the proprietary code providers, which will sell you very expensive connections. Now, this causes three main problems. First of all, in the hospitals themselves, it's very difficult to exchange an image from one place, from one department to the other. The second problem is that images can't be exchanged among hospitals, and the worst problem is actually for the medical physicists. They do not have any solution for the moment to exchange studies. So basically, it's still Jurassic Park out there. The dinosaurs that you see there are called Agfa or General Electric, and they do everything they can to lock down data into the servers that are stored in the hospitals and to not grant access to those data. So up comes Lify. It's a web platform that enables team collaboration around medical images. It does that totally interoperably. It does it on any platform. That means you can do it on, you can use Lify on a Mac, but also on Windows PC, as well as in the cloud, which then will enable anyone to save money and to save time. On paper, this is how it looks. You can download Lify. You can install it on a computer in a hospital. You then connect it to existing image archiving solutions, and you can exchange with anyone within that network or outside the network if you store it in the cloud. Once it's in the cloud, you can either share it with others, be it patients, other medical physicists, or clinical research organizations. But you can also post-process the images, meaning you can do segmentation, you can do automated reporting, and so on. This is how it looks in practice. So first thing you notice is there are different accounts. A user can have an account in each hospital that he's working in. He can then connect to existing picture archiving solutions, retrieve images from there, and view them. Once he's selected the image he wants to view, he can preview, and then next he can view it in the advanced viewer. In the advanced viewer, there are several options, several features. You can do windowing, you can do add annotations, pretty basic stuff, but still it covers 80% or 90% of the needs today in medical imaging. The user can then create reports and drag and drop the hotspots that he created right into the report, and he can then share the images by simply clicking a button and selecting the people he wants to be sharing it with. Last but not least, there's the live share functionality, which is a solution to enable telecollaboration, meaning you just spread a URL. Anyone clicking on that URL will land right in the same screen as you. Every user will have his or her cursor, and you can then start talking to each other through a conference call that starts running. We're currently 7 people in the company, amongst which there's Sébastien Jadogne, who is the Free Software Foundation Award winner of 2015. He won that award with OrTank, which is the open source software that's at the basis of all that we do within the company. The market we're targeting is rather big. First of all, there's the hospitals and clinics, but then there's also 40 million medical specialists and 1.5 thousand clinical research organizations. The business model that we have is a freemium model, so you can store medical images in the cloud for free and have access to a limited set of features. And if you start paying, well, then you have access to the full set of features and, of course, more storage online. The market adoption is such that currently 50,000 people have downloaded Orthanc already. The University Hospital of Liège is using all the solutions that we build, as well as Médecins Sans Frontières. Next steps. So we're going to release the software in beta in July 16, and we will be launching in production in October. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. And if you're looking for more information, you can always go to Lify.io. Thank you.